Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve exercise 12.1 and problem number 6. Okay. In problem number 6, you have also given a figure. This type of figure you have given that from where this is point C, this point D. And this point will be B, and this will be point, this A, this vertex BA, and from here this can be drawn. Also, this arm is equal to this arms. Given that this point P and this is point Q. So here given that in the adjacent figure, D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC. Given that D is the midpoint of BC, DP perpendicular to AB, and here also given that DP perpendicular to AB. DP perpendicular to AB, given that, and also given that DQ perpendicular to AC. Here DQ given that perpendicular to AC, and DQ here given that DQ perpendicular to AC. Okay, all that is given that. So, and DP is equal to DQ, given that DP is equal to given that DQ. DP is equal to given that DQ. So we have to prove that angle B is equal to C, angle C. We have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. We have to prove this. So first of all, to prove angle B is equal to angle C, we see here that PD is equal to DQ. Given that DP is equal to DQ, that is this side is equal to this side, SS congruency rule. And next, here given that also if DP is equal to DQ, then BD is equal to CD. We have to prove first of all this, and also here given that DP perpendicular to AB. DP perpendicular to AB. So this DP divided AB into equal parts. Okay, and also from here we find that angle PBD, we have to prove angle PBD is equal to angle QCD, angle QC and D. Okay, so from here we find DP is equal to DQ such that angle before the side is equal and also from here BD is equal to CD because D is the midpoint. Here D is the midpoint of D is the midpoint of BC. So BD is equal to CD. Okay, so from here you find that DP is equal to DQ and BD is equal to CD. That is to this angle and this angle is equal. This side and this side is equal. Sorry, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side in both triangle. Also here given that this angle is equal to this angle. Here given that angle P is equal to angle Q because DP is equal to DQ. DP is equal to DQ and the angle before same sides are equal because the angle before same sides are equal. Okay, so from here we follow SAS congruency rule. Congruency rule, we find that angle B is equal to angle C. Angle PBD is equal to angle PBD is equal to angle QCD. Angle QCD. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. You have to solve it. Now again, here given that problem number 7. In problem number 7, you have given that this type of figure. This type of figure you have given that such a rectangle. Okay. Here point D, this is point C, and this point A, and this will be point B. And now from here, this also is drawn and also from here drawn as. Okay, and this point will be X and this will be Y given there, and intersecting point is not given there. So if you want, then also you suppose that this is point O. Okay, again we are given that ABCD is a rectangle and X and Y are points on side AD and BC. So X and Y are the points on AD because X is also lying on the AD side and Y is lying on the BC side. Okay, respectively, such that AY is equal to BX. Here given that AY is equal to BX. Here given that AY is equal to BX by the figure that is given that. Okay, this is given that again, and angle BAY is equal to given that angle BAY is equal to given that angle BAY is given that angle XBA or angle ABX or angle ABX is equal to angle ABX. Okay, this is given that. So that we have to show that this. We have to show that. Sorry, we have to show that. So we have to prove. We have to prove that angle that AY is equal to BX and angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. So we have to prove angle ABX is equal to angle BAY. This angle is equal to this angle. So first of all, in this figure, we find that here in rectangle you have to write this in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So here given that AD is equal to BC. And also given that AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to and AB is equal to CD. Okay, this given that. Now such that here given that AY is equal to BX and we have to prove this. We have to prove angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. If AY is equal to BX. Okay. So here you can see that here two triangle given. Triangle ABY and triangle ABY and triangle ABX. Okay. And from here we have to prove also that angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. So since in triangle ABY, in triangle ABY, given that in ABY side AY is equal to, here side AY is equal to, given that side BX. Okay, and also if side AY is equal to side BX, then also here AB is equal to side AB. Okay, and AB is equal to AB because AB is common for both the triangle. Because AB is common here for both triangles. Okay, again AB is equal to AB and BX is equal to AY, and now again here we have to prove that angle YAB or BAY is equal to angle ABX. So you also know that the angle before the same sides are same. We know that angle before the sides are same. Okay, so from here we find, SSA congruency rule. Of this figure, and now from here angle BAY is equal to angle ABX, such that this is the solution of this problem. Again here given that problem number 8 and 9, so this is easy problem and you have to solve it. This exercise finished, and next exercise, check your progress. We will see again next day. Thank you, children.